uh, smartphones and tablets. They make our world great. They are modern day saviors. They help us to communicate. They help us to keep in touch. They help us to find out how much 12 plus 12 is. Oh, 24. Cool. And they also help us to keep in touch with our favorite TikToker. Hey, he's called Willie London. Go follow him. Willie London, big up yourself. Alright, so these things are great. But you know what makes them better? SD cards. Yeah, SD cards. Oh, wait, that's not an SD card, that's my credit card. Please tell me you won't stop this video and try to read my credit card number.
What time is it there? No, bro, no worries about having the
Stop TikTok, stop messing up my vid.
Yeah.
I don't know if you saw my
Yes, so this is a typical example. This would be so much greater.
My bad, bro. I haven't been on Snap much.
That would be so much greater if I had an SD card in it. Now it's messing up because it's running out of memory and it's doing all sorts of crazy stuff. Now, as I was saying, it needs a card, an SD card. Nope, once again, not that credit cards. Do not pause, do not try to see my credit card number. It needs one of these. Man, I don't even think you can see it. An SD card. I'm gonna stop this video and zoom in on it so that you can see it better. Bam. That's what an SD card is. Now this phone, which is my phone, had an SD card in it until about 3 days ago. As you can see, the SD card is out. That's because it's now corrupted and unreadable. I've tried many times to format it, but to no avail. They said, get a razor blade and scratch, 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 scrape, 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 scrape. I know you're unable to see it. I'm trying to turn. Scratch, 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 scratch. Anyways, there are tutorials on YouTube. You can watch them after you finish watching my video. So I tried that. It didn't work. So naturally, oh, you're wondering what that is? Yes, I'm a poor YouTuber. I cannot afford these expensive ring lights. So I literally put my lamp there. Ha, laugh. So I tried this because I'm getting bored trying to fix this SD card. Needless to say, do not try this at home. Ow, ow, ow. Put it in the SD card reader. Da 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 da. Refresh. 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 F5. Refresh.
Refresh, refresh. Nothing. So after doing the razor blade thing, doing the microwave thing,
I think I'm gonna do the 24 hours in the freezer thing. We will come back after 24 hours and check on our SD card. See you later.
12 seconds later.
So I was just about to go to bed and wait until tomorrow to do the rest of the filming, and then my brain would not sleep, so here goes nothing. Yep, 24 hours in the refrigerator freezer. That should be fun.
The next day.
Alright, so back to the story. I've put the SD card in the fridge and it should be well frozen now. It's not 24 hours as I originally said, but let's check it out. I've got this to take it out.
Refresh. F5. Refresh. Refresh, refresh, refresh. So nothing. What else can I do to it?
A few moments later.
So nothing I've done has fixed the SD card, not even the power of tea. Yeah, I know Jamaicans believe in tea, but I'm looking at my SD card. It's still so amazing that holds so much information, and this is what we used to use. That is what we used to use. And this big thing could only hold, yep, 1.44 megabytes. This holds 8 gigs. I wonder how many times I could fit this into this.
It's not the size of the boat, it's the motion in the ocean.
Inappropriate jokes by my wife.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.